We just got these makeup brushes from BS Small for my stepdaughter, and she's going to be so excited. First of all, absolutely love that it comes in this carrying case. So this is really good if you are traveling, or just a really great way to store them so they're not just kind of scattered all over the place, or if you don't have a little organizer. So let's go ahead. She's going to love these colors. Look at these. I love how they came packaged. They all are in their individual plastic like this. And look at, so soft, but also, like nice and firm and sturdy. So there are 14 different ones. I don't know enough about makeup to know all the different ones, but I know that there's like a lip brush, you've got your contour brush, you've got your foundation brush. All of the different brushes are in here. Your angle brush, I don't even know what half of that means. But again, this is definitely something that she's going to be super excited about. They do come in different colors, but you guys, like, look at, oh, I don't know if you can see that, but it's on like this beautiful little angle here on the side, which is really cool. I'm loving, so this is like the purple. So this is a nice aluminum here. And then the top here is purple. So beautiful. Hopefully that is translating well on camera. You can get a bunch of different colors as well, but feels so good. I know she's going to be so excited to try all of these.